Hello, my name is Lamar, and I want to talk about what this channel will discuss. We will discuss how to get your credit reports, analyze your credit reports, credit score differences, facts about FICO scores, the credit bureaus, removing old addresses, how to remove inquiries from your credit report. Remember, the law's on your side when dealing with creditors, collection agencies, and credit bureaus. You have the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act of 38, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, the Fair Credit Billing Act, Metro 2 compliance dealing with creditors. We will also discuss getting inaccurate, incomplete, unfair, unverifiable items removed, understanding disputed 42. We will also discuss tax liens, state tax liens, the loophole to remove liens and judgments, the security freeze trick, consumer financial protection following a CFPB complaint, identity theft situations, early exclusions, 5-day reinsertion letter, the goodwill letter, the incomplete missing information letter. We'll also discuss the return mail letter, the alternative bizarre letter, lawsuits, a small claims court, examples of what you could potentially file suit for and against whom, tips during court, what to do if you are sued, liability case examples, damage case examples I'll give you, finding a registered agent, the checks systems removals. Are you even in check systems errors, how to get your check systems report. We will discuss student loans, repossessions, and HIPAA. And what is HIPAA? Dealing with student loans, vehicle repossessions, HIPAA, and medical collections. We'll talk about the letter to the original healthcare provider, HIPAA collection agencies, validations, dispute, cease and desist letter. We will also discuss advanced credit techniques. Getting good credit lines quickly is a key trade lines. Then I will teach you the shopping cart trick, which is awesome. Utilizing credit unions for business credit is unbelievable. Bad credit resources, what to do after your credit is fixed, is super important. So join us inside and get answers to all your virtual credit game needs. See you later.